Good morning to all of you. Today we are discuss about the limit of the form 1 to the power infinity. Now fx to the power gx, if limit x tends to a fx is equal to 1 and limit x tends to a gx is equal to infinity, therefore 1 to the power infinity 5. Let us suppose that L equal to limit x tends to a fx के power gx, taking log both sides, log ln a equal to limit x tends to a ln fx के power gx. Here log m to the power n equal to n log m. In this sense, g log fx, we add 1 and subtract 1, and fx minus 1 here, this is here. As we know that ln 1 plus x by x equal to 1, so that such type of situation that is also equal to 1, so that this become 1, and here limit x tends to a gx fx minus 1, this is ln, so that L equal to ln log, here exchange exponential form, limit x tends to a gx into fx minus 1. Now we take the some example. Now first problem, limit x tends to infinity, x plus 6 divided by x plus 1 के power x plus 4. Second limit x tends to infinity, x by 1 plus x to the power x. First of all, we take the first problem, limit x tends to infinity, x plus 6 divided by x plus 1 to the power this. Now check the form 1 to the power infinity form. First of all, we take the common x, 1 plus 6 by x, here x, 1 plus 1 by x, this remove. Putting x is equal to infinity, 6 by infinity that is 0, 1 by infinity that is 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1, this become 1, and infinity plus 4 that is infinity, 1 to the power infinity 5. Now answer will be e के power l, where l equal to limit x tends to infinity gx fx minus 1. Here this is fx to the power gx, so that gx is x plus 4, x plus 4 fx minus 1, x plus 6 divided by x plus 1 minus 1. Now limit x tends to infinity, here take the common x, this become 1 plus 4 by x, and here take LCM x plus 1. Now here x plus 6 minus x minus 1. Now limit x tends to infinity, here x 1 plus 4 by x, and this is x cancel, 5 by, here in this case x also take common, that is 1 plus 1 by x, putting x equal to infinity, this x and this x remove. Now 1 plus 4 by infinity into 5 by 1 plus 1 by infinity. Now this is 0, 1 plus 0, and this is 5 by 1 plus 0, 1. This is 5 by 1. This is 0, 1. So that 1 into 5 equal to 5. So that L equal to 5. Therefore, answer will be e to the power L, e to the power 5. Now we take second problem. Now second problem, limit x tends to infinity, x by 1 plus x to the power x. Now it can be also written as L, total L, limit x tends to infinity, x by 1 plus x to the power x. Now answer will be e to the power L, where small l will be limit x tends to infinity, g of fx minus 1, where fx के power g is equal to x, limit x tends to infinity, g is equal to x, and fx is equal to this, x by 1 plus x minus 1. Here x limit here x tends to infinity, x into, take the LCM 1 plus x. Now here x and minus 1 minus x. This x and x remove. Here minus 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. Now limit x tends to infinity, minus x divided, here take common x, 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1, so that this and this remove, limit x tends to infinity. Now this will remove, minus 1 by x plus 1, and putting x equal to infinity, this is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 by infinity plus 1. This is equal to minus 1. This is equal to 0 plus 1. This is equal to minus 1. So that answer will be e के power l. This is equal to e के power minus 1. This is the limiting value of our problem. Now, question 3, limit x tends to 0, 5 by 2 plus under root 9x, 9 plus x to the power cosec x. Here, putting x equal to 0, this is 5, this is 0, this under root 9 and 3 to 5, 5 by 5, 1 and cosec 0 equal to infinity. This is 1 to the power infinity 5. Now, value of limit equal to e के power limit x tends to 0 gx fx minus 1. Now we take let l equal to e के power l, where l is this part, l value of this we calculate and put on this place, we get our result. Now l equal to limit x tends to 0 gx fx minus 1 fx के power gx, so that gx fx minus 1. Now limit x tends to 0, cosec x equal to 1 by sin x and multiply here and divide. Now we take 2 plus root 9 plus x LCM. This is only 5 and this is 1, so that 2 here 2 plus under root 9 plus x, and after open the bracket this become negative, so that this is 5 minus 2 equal to 3 minus under root 9 plus x, and this part here. On the rationalizations we take the positive sign here, so that multiply and divide a minus b and a plus b, a square minus b square. It means that this is equal to 9 minus 9 plus x, and after x open 9 minus 9x, this and this remove, only here x that remove by this is cancelled, and putting the x limit x tends to 0, sin x equal to 1, so that we write here 1, this is removed, and this is equal to 2, and x equal to 0, root 9 equal to 3, and here 3, and this is 0, root 9 equal to 3, 1 and 2, 3, 5 and 1 by 6, this is equal to 1 by 5, 6 is 30. So that value of L equal to 30, and we assume answer is value of limit e के power L, putting the value of this e के power 1 by 30. This is the answer of our limits. Now we take next problem. Now for problem, limit x tends to 0, cos x to the power cot square x, form x is equal to 0, cos 0 1 and cot square cot x equal to infinity, so that cos by sin, cos by sin, that is also infinity क्योंकि cos by sin in 1 by 0 that is equal to infinity. Now answer will be e to power l, where l equal to limit x tends to 0 g of fx minus 1, where limit x tends to 0 gx equal to cot square of fx cos x minus 1. We arrange this limit x tends to 0. Here cos x minus 1 divided by x square into x square here, and this can be written as 1 by tan square x. Now limit x tends to 0 cos x minus 1 divided by x square into x by tan x square. Now as we know that limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x square is equal to half, so that cos x minus 1 that is equal to minus half, and xy tan x equal to 1 to power 2, this is equal to minus half, so that answer will be e to power l. This is the value of l. Answer will be e to power l, means e to power minus half. E to power minus half. Now next problem. Now fifth question. Limit x tends to infinity. Sin 1 by x plus cos 1 by x to the power x. Here fx and this is gx. So that putting 1 by x equal to t, so that limit x tends to infinity, t tends to 0. Answer e to power l, where l is equal to limit x tends to infinity gx fx minus 1, gx equal to x, and fx equal to sin 1 by x plus cos 1 by x minus 1. So that change the limit x equal to 1 by t, t tends to 0, and sin t, and this is a plus cos t minus 1. Now 1 by t sin t by t plus cos t minus 1 by t. Now limit t tends to 0 sin t by t plus cos t minus 1 by t square and multiply t. We know that limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1, this is 1, and cos x minus 1 by x square equal to this half, where cos t minus 1, cos t minus 1 by t square, that is equal to half, so that into t equal to 0, this becomes 0, this is a 1. Our answer is e to power l, e to power 1. This is our answer. Now we take the next problem. Limit x tends to infinity. 5 to power 1 by x plus 3 to power 1 by x minus 1 to the power x. Now here, Now next question 6. Limit x tends to infinity 5 to the power 1 by x plus 3 to the power 1 by x minus 1 to the power x. 1 to the power x. Now here this x equal to form x is equal to infinity, this is infinity, 1 by infinity 0 1 1 by infinity 0 1 1 1 cancel 1 के power infinity form. Answer will be here. Answer will be e के power l, where l is equal to limit x tends to infinity, x tends to infinity, gx fx minus 1. Now limit x tends to infinity, gx x fx, this 5 to the power 1 by x plus 3 to the power 1 by x minus 1 and minus 1. This can be also written here. Limit x tends to infinity, x into 5 के power 1 by x plus 3 के power 1 by x minus 2. Put in x is equal to 1 by t. Limit x tends to infinity, t tends to 0, x tends to infinity, t tends to 0, so that limit t tends to 0, x is equal to 1 by t, and this can be written as 5 के power t plus 3 के power t minus 2, 3 के power t minus 2. Now limit t tends to 0, 5 to power t minus 1 by t plus this is 3 to power t minus 1 by t. This can be written as 5 to power t minus 1 plus 3 to power t minus 1 and by t here. This is t, this is t. Now this can be written as, now limit x tends to 0, a के power x minus 1 by x is equal to ln a, so that this is equal to ln 5 plus this is equal to ln 3 log m plus n equal to log m into n equal to log m plus log n, so that this is a This can be written as in form of products ln 5 into 3. This is equal to ln 15. ln 15. Now, so that our answer will be L value of limit L बराबर e के power L that is equal to e के power ln 15. E and L are reciprocal, so that this is equal to 15. This is answer. Now we take next problem here. Now next problem, limit x tends to infinity to tan inverse x by pi to the power x. Check the form. Here, check the form here. X is equal to infinity to tan inverse infinity equal to pi by 2. Here pi and this is infinity. 2 to remove, this is remove. Here 1 to the power infinity form. Now answer will be e के power L, where L is equal to limit x tends to infinity gx fx minus 1, where gx is equal to fx to the power gx equal to x and fx to tan inverse x by pi minus 1 here. Now this x comes here and here pi, so that x here and 2 take common, that is a 2 tan inverse x, and here pi, so that pi by 2. After multiply 2 tan inverse x and this is pi, no difference, this is pi, so that tan inverse pi by 2, this is 10 minus pi by 2 equal to cot inverse x, so that this and tan inverse x minus pi by 2 equal to cot inverse x minus with negative sign, so that this is here minus 2 cot inverse x into x by pi, here minus 2 by pi comes here, and tan in cot inverse x is equal to 1 by tan x, here x. As we know that limit x tends to infinity, x by tan x equal to 1, so that value of this is equal to 1, so that minus 2 by pi, and this is the value of L. This is the value of L, and answer e के power L, so that put the value of L e के power minus 2 by pi. This is our final answer. Now we take next problem. Now next problem, limit x tends to infinity 0 tan pi by 4 plus x के power 1 by x. Check for tan. Here x equal to 0. This is 0 tan pi by 4 equal to 1. This is equal to 1, and 1 by 0 equal to infinity, 1 to the power infinity 5. Now answer e to power L, where L equal to limit x tends to 0 gx fx minus 1. Gx is equal to this and fx is equal to this, so that 1 by x and tan pi by 4 plus x minus 1. Here this can be written as tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b, but 1 minus tan a tan b, and tan pi by 4 equal to tan 45 degree. This is equal to 1. So that tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x minus 1. 1 plus tan x and 1 minus tan x. We take LCM 1 minus tan x, here 1 plus tan x and minus 1 minus tan x. Negative, this remove tan x, this is positive tan x, 2 tan x. Divided by 1 minus tan x, here 1 by x, we take tan x by x, tan x by x, 2 here, 1 by 1 minus tan x. This is equal to 1, so that here 2, this is equal to 1, this is equal to 1 by 1 minus tan 0 equal to 0, so that 1 by 1 is equal to 1. And this is 1, so that L equal to 2, so that answer e to power L, putting the value of L, this is 2 to power e to power 2, this is the limiting value of our problem. Like and subscribe videos and share with your friends. Thank you.